Mulled wine is one of those things people think is complicated. It isn't. This is the classic way to make it, from scratch. It's warm, festive, and perfect for hosting. And you can make it with or without alcohol using the exact same method. This recipe uses 1 bottle of wine, which gives you about 4 servings. If you're hosting more people, simply double or triple everything. You'll need a bottle of dry red wine. Merlot, Shiraz or Cabernet all work well. 1 orange, sliced. If you like, a few slices of apple as well, a cinnamon stick, 2 or 3 cloves. 1 star anise, optional but lovely, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar or honey. For a non-alcoholic version, just swap the wine for red grape juice, or half grape juice and half apple juice. Add everything to a saucepan. Wine, orange slices, spices and sugar. Now heat it slowly over low to medium heat. Do not let it boil. If it boils, the alcohol cooks off and the flavour turns sharp. Once it's hot, give it a taste. Add a little more sugar if needed, or a small splash of orange juice if you like it fruitier. Turn the heat down low and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. The longer it sits, the deeper the flavour. When you're ready to serve, strain it if you like, or leave it rustic. Serve it warm with a slice of orange or a cinnamon stick. If you're hosting, it's easy to make 2 pots, 1 with wine, 1 without. Everyone's included, no explaining required. That's it. Proper mulled wine, done right. Cheers.